Hello students, today we are going to talk about the thermometers. This is the lecture of grade 7th, chapter number 4, heat and temperature, and this is its part 3. Formally coming to our point, and our topic is thermometer. And the first point, when we think about the thermometer, that what is thermometer and how it used, and who invented the thermometer, and why, this is the very important question, why we use mercury in the bulb of the thermometer. This is the main question that comes in our mind at first. So here, what is thermometer? This is the first question. That a device that measures the temperature of the human beings and something else. This is called thermometer, simply, in which thermo, T-H-E-R-M-O, thermo means, thermo is a Latin word that means heat, and meter means a measuring device. So what is thermometer? Thermometer is a heat measurement device. So the next question is why we need to use the mercury in the bulb of the thermometer. Only mercury used. Why? That mercury is preferred to the other liquids. Only mercury is preferred. Why? In which I am giving you some causes. Among the first one is it does not stick. Mercury does not stick to the wall of the thermometer. If mercury is present in the bulb of a thermometer and it rises after getting heat, it cannot stick on the thermometer's wall. So it is its first cause. And the second one is we can easily detect the thermometer. Sorry, we can easily detect the level of the mercury in the thermometer. Why? Because it is shiny and it has a white color. Okay, it has a specific color that is white. Okay, silvery white. So this is its first cause, and there is second cause. And the third is mercury is only metal that is present in the liquid state in nature. Only metal. So if we use mercury in the thermometer, it usually gets up and down instead of other metal, because normally the metals are present at room temperature in the solid state, but only mercury is a metal that is present at liquid at room temperature. Okay, I hope all things are clear to you. And the next cause is when we heat the mercury, it expands and contracts uniformly. It does not unevenly contract and expand by getting heated. Okay, and the last is it has a low freezing point and high boiling point. Because of this, it has a wide range of measuring the temperature, because it has low freezing point and high melting point. I hope all things is all clear to you. And how many types of thermometer? Firstly, we should know about who invented the thermometer. Thermometer is invented by which thermometer? The clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer is invented by Sir Thomas Albert. Sir Thomas Albert in 1866. Keep in this mind. And how many types of thermometer? There are usually three types of thermometer, in which I draw all the diagrams of the thermometer. The clinical thermometer, it usually says the medical thermometer. Okay, we can also call it medical thermometer and clinical thermometer as well. So this thermometer has the minimum temperature to measure is 35 degrees Celsius and highest is 42 degree Celsius, because the clinical thermometer usually used for the measurement of human body temperature, and it in this thermometer, it our body does not go lower to 35 degree and higher to 42 degree. If is it is so, then a human body occurs death. If the temperature lower, a body has a temperature of lower to 35 degree and higher to 42 degree, a human body occurs death. So a healthy human body and a living human body has a temperature between 35 to 42 only. So the clinical thermometer has the minimum temperature, measuring minimum temperature is 35 degrees Celsius and highest is 42 degree Celsius. This is a special designed thermometer from 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degree Celsius. Okay, I hope all this is clear. And the next thermometer is digital thermometer. Due to that mercury is a toxic in nature. Mercury is a toxic in nature. So the futuristic scientists had developed the digital thermometer because it has not mercury present in it. It has a screen here to give what is the measurement of the temperature of particular human being. So this it does not contain mercury because mercury is toxic in nature. I hope all things are clear. And the last one is a laboratory thermometer. It is used in laboratories, so it is called laboratory thermometer. It is usually measure the temperature of hot water, and we know that hot water is the temperature of and it has 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius rather than and 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Both are the same. 0 degree Celsius and 32 degree Fahrenheit both are the same, and 100 degree Celsius and 212 degree Fahrenheit both are the same. So this is all about the thermometers. Yeah, and the most important question, how we use the clinical thermometer and how we use the medical thermometer to measure the temperature of someone's body. We normally uh, jerk it off to to mercury to settle down. Why we jerk it off? To settle down the mercury in its lower part. And the second one is we put the thermometer into our mouth, under our tongue, and under our armpit. And after some time, after 1 minute, we can observe and see the rising position of the mercury. And normally we can see the temperature of our body. Okay, so how this is how we use the thermometer. And here we can see that a little bit kink or bent. Then what is the question is, the question is why a little bit kink and bent in the thermometer present. So just because of the mercury is not stick to the wall of the thermometer, we need some time to observe, and to observe the height and the level of the thermometer we need some time. So scientists have made the thermometer in such a way that we keep some time, and the mercury takes some time to settle down, and in this time period we can easily observe the level of the mercury and observe that how a body has a temperature, how much a body has a temperature. So it's all about the thermometer. If you have any problem, then you can ask. In our next topic and next lecture, we will talk about the relationship between the Kelvin and degree Celsius and the relationship between the Fahrenheit and degree centigrade. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.